Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to block Snapchat calls. So if a specific person is trying to call you again and again, and if you want to block that person's calls, what you can do is just open up your Snapchat application, and after opening your Snapchat application, just tap on the message icon which is on the bottom left of your screen. And now what you can do is just tap on the pen and paper icon which is on the bottom right of your screen, which is on the blue color. And now in the top you can find new calls. You just have to tap on that, and now you have to select the person whom you would like to disable the call from. Just tap and hold on to their profile, and now what you have to do is just tap on chat and notification settings, which is the third option. And after tapping on that, now you have to tap on notification settings, which is the last option. And then here you can find mute chats, mute calls. Now you have to enable both these options. So after tapping on mute chat or mute calls, here it will ask you for how long would you like to mute this person. So for an hour or an 8 hours, or for a day, or until I unmute them. So you can choose any option you like, and same with the chats. And then after doing this, just tap on done, and after tapping on done, the person who is trying to call you will be muted. So if you want to completely disable the calls from Snapchat, so you can't receive any calls or notifications from Snapchat, what you can do is you have to open up your settings application, and after opening your settings application, now you have to search for apps, and then inside apps you have to search for Snapchat. And after tapping on Snapchat, what you can do is just tap on permissions option, and after tapping on permissions, here you have to disable those options which are used to make a call. So now I will turn off those options which are used to make a call, like phone. You just have to tap on don't allow. Same with the microphone, and then contacts, and now you have to turn off your camera. So these are the tools which are used to make a call. So after turning off these, you will not receive any calls or messages from your Snapchat. So this is how to block Snapchat calls. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.